Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. And recently, I have been posting videos on how you can earn money online. Today, I'm up with a skill that is very easy to learn if you watch all my videos. And the great part is that it shall make you $100 to $75 per order. Plus, this is a skill that can help you in any other work too. It's not particular to any orders. So, irrespective of what you work and what you do, whether you are writing a proposal for your client or you are marketing, advertising, or if you have a blog, and the list goes on endless. So, even if you want to sell a course or you want to sell anything else, or you want to increase your traffic on your website, or you want more of the bloggers to read your blog, as well as if you are a YouTuber or anything else, you need this skill. Yes, I'm talking about copywriting. So, let us first see on Fiverr what people are charging for providing this service. So you can see over here that I am on Fiverr, and you can see I have searched for copywriting for websites. So copywriting basically comes under SEO, and it's a very important skill. People specially hire copywriters just for they specially hire copywriters for writing their content. So you can see over here that this person would this person is charging $40 for copywriting. Okay, so this person is charging around $30 for it. If we browse even down, you can see that there are many other freelancers who are charging even $5 for it. But if we see that over here, so I will craft creative copywriting and website content in $50. So if we even browse down, you can see over here that I will write engaging content for your website. So this is also something that comes under copywriting, and this person will cost around $70. And so this person over here, you can see that he's saying that I will write your sales copy that converts. So he'll charge $130. If you even go down, you can see that this person is a pro verified one, but he'll also charge around $125 for professional copywriting for your business. And the list is endless. So you can see that $125 again. Here it's $225. If you can see, I'll do killer copywriting for your business. Over here, you can see that it's $800. So you can see the opportunities that are endless opportunities. $175, $100, $275, $75. So you can see that like $115. So average is around $100 is minimum that you can earn from this whole course. If you study and watch every video and follow every instructions that I shall provide you, you can definitely earn endless. I mean, like the opportunity is endless over here. As well as you can see that the services are also huge. So you can, in case you want to rank on the very first page, then I have made a separate video on how you can rank your gig higher on Fiverr. So make sure to watch that video. I'll also link it over here in the description box, as well as you can click on the I button to watch that video. Make sure to watch that video also. So you can see that it was a overall general view that I wanted to show you guys, that how much you can earn, and the opportunity is also endless for this skill. So apart from this, I'll also teach you guys where you can apply for by learning this course. And I have decided to make a full course on copywriting, and I'm sure that if you completely follow all the videos and instructions that I tell you in this video, apart from earning this $100 to $75 per order, you will be definitely learning a skill that will help you to grow your own business as well as your offline clients business also. So you can charge over there also. And if the traffic increases, then the client is definitely going to provide you more work as well as will pay you even higher. So in this course, I will teach you A to Z everything that you need to master the skill. And after completing this course, you'll be master in copywriting skill. And copywriting can be also your secret business as well as a career building tool apart from the work that you are doing. And in this course, I shall also provide you all the free tools that you can use to be a better copywriter. So this is a complete package of copywriting course that I am providing to you guys for free. And plus, I have also showed you guys the opportunities that you have after learning this course. Plus, in the middle of the lessons that I shall be teaching you guys, I will also provide you with the other projects that you can work on so that you can even earn more. I shall be guiding you with every steps. And in case you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment sections. That was it for today's video. I just wanted to make this announcement that I am up with a skill. So basically, this is a skill that is also demanded professionally. So you can even master it and earn even more. So that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching it and hope it was useful for you. So wait till the next video comes up and bye bye.